case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2012, the Supreme Court heard the landmark case of Golan v. Holder, which focused on the constitutionality of extending copyright protection to foreign works that were previously in the public domain in the United States. The legal challenge arose after Congress passed Section 514 of the Uruguay Round Agreements Act, URAA, in 1994, allowing foreign works without U.S. copyright protection to be granted full protection under certain conditions. A group of orchestra conductors, musicians, publishers, and others argued that this law violated the Copyright and Patent Clause and the First Amendment by removing works from the public domain. In the majority opinion, written by Justice Ginsburg, the Supreme Court upheld the constitutionality of Section 514 of the URAA. The court noted that the law provided protection to works that would have received protection if the U.S. had maintained copyright relations with the author's country or removed formalities incompatible with the Berne Conventions. While acknowledging that foreign authors would have fewer years of exclusivity under the URAA than their U.S. counterparts, the court determined that the law did not violate the Constitution's Copyright and Patent Clause or the First Amendment. Furthermore, the court held that the provisions of Section 514 of the URAA, such as the notice of intent to enforce a restored copyright and the eligibility criteria for protection, were constitutional and supported the aim of promoting international copyright protection.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.